Okay, hi there, this is Dustin from Guys with Games. Today's game is called Relative Relay. You're gonna need to come to class about 10 minutes before so you can draw this on your whiteboard or your blackboard. As you can see, on each team, on each side, I have 9 different sections. In one section, I have a noun, I have an adjective, and I have a picture. It's a relay race. So one student from each team will come to the front with a marker and they're gonna first write a noun. Drop the marker, sit back down, next 2 students come, and they have to write an adjective that corresponds with that noun. Those students sit down, next students come up, and they have to draw a picture. And it just continues until it's all done. If any mistakes are made, the teacher can decide, do you want to correct those mistakes right now, or do you want to wait until they're all done and say, hey, you guys have 3 mistakes on this side, you guys have 2 mistakes, go fix them. This is what it will look like. You can assign points if you want to. So this team was a little bit faster, so maybe they're gonna get 1 star. But what I always do is I get everybody to stand up and I get them to make sentences.
Your horse is hilarious.
So the horse is fast. Okay, so Carson, do you wanna make a sentence?
Can it be anyone?
Yeah, you can choose, yes, anything. It doesn't have to be the boss is generous. The marker is broken. You can use any adjective if you want.
The helmet is too large for his tiny head.
Very good.